welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to make videos on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you and below that you can see different options. You have to mark on the plus option. This type of screen will appear in front of you and you can see the timers 15 seconds, 60 seconds and 10 minutes. First of all, you have to set timer. After that, push this red button. Then the video will be start. Save the video. After that, you have to, by pushing on this option, you have to upload that video and will be saved in your gallery. That's all. If you are eager to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers and score exclusive coupons spanning a wide range of products from cutting edge gadgets to beauty essentials, then watch the video you are seeing on end screen. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.